Finding your love, future wife coming in my life. Everything will always be my guiding light. I am so incorruptible, fortunate to have crossed paths with you. You have brought me more love and lighter into my life than anyone before. Your presence is confident seekers of happiness and comfort to me. Thank you for being the amazing person you are each day. With you is a gift filled with new joys and new reason to be grateful. My honey, my coin, I read your message carefully and really appreciate you sharing your feelings with me. It really hits me to know that you feel ignored or unappreciated on such an important day for us. It was never intelligence and insensible apologizing for making you feel that way. Please understand what my love for you never flipped, not even for 1 second. If my actions or inaction make you feel, and I am sure sorry from the bottom of my heart. You mind the world me, and nothing could every change that man wall. Baby, I always want to experience my own feelings. The word I used in your message and the way you said it made me hurt. Why? I feel like I am accused of not caring when in reality you are always in my heart. And might I never want to misunderstand each other or allow a miscommunications to create a distance between us. I appreciate our love so much that I do not allow anything come between us. Let's promise each other to community with love and understanding, to assuming the best from each other, and to always seek clarity before being. You are my happiness, is my future, and my everything. I never want to see you sad, just like I never want to feel it. But our word, can we talk, make things right? I miss your smile. Warmth, I love you more forever and every, my sweetheart. If there is no love in the world, we will make a new world and we will give it walls and we will fringe it with soft and red intro from the inside and out, and give it a concept that resonate like a diamond feeling toy. Jewelries felt so that we should never air it. Love me because love does not excite it, and I have tried everything that does. I now will be together always and forever. You have loved me devotion regardless of shortcomings. It's amusing getting all the best for you. Now I don't really deserve it, but you keep telling me good is on our side. Your smile brightness up my day. Love you so much, dear. I hope you know how much you mean to me. You are such an important part of my life. In fact, the center of my life. Everything I do is for us, and I hope you know that I am always trying to do the right thing. That will make our relationship stronger. You have inspired me to be the best versions of myself that I can possibly be, and I hope that I can somehow repay you for everything that you have done for me. Without you, I would be a complete different person. You have taught me so much about life, and because of you,